News from Jammu and Kashmir now. The mortal remains of the 5 soldiers killed in the line of duty during a counter-terror operation in Thana Mandi are now being moved to their respective hometowns. Families of Naib Subedar Jaswandar Singh, Sepoy Gajan Singh and Naik Mandeep Singh mourned their loss as the mortal remains of the soldiers reached their families and villages in Punjab. On Tuesday, Army also paid a rich tribute to 5 soldiers in Rajouri, where a wreath-laying ceremony was organized. 5 soldiers, remember, laid down their lives while combating armed terrorists in dense forests on the Mughal Road, which connects Jammu's border Poonch district with Shopian in Kashmir.
उसके सहारे मैं जी रही थी, उसके सहारे ही घर परिवार चलता था। अब मुश्किल हो गई है। जब बेटा जवान होएगा, मैं होता है जरूर दूंगी फौज सेना में, क्यों हमारा घर परिवार है सेना।
Sunil Bhatt has been reporting from Poonch in Jammu and Kashmir. Sunil, these are mind-numbing accounts. The families of these brave soldiers and left now without their sons. So all of these formalities have now been cleared, and their mortal remains have reached. What is the situation in Poonch?
Well, Pooja, as you know that we have lost 5 of our brave hearts in this counter-terror operation which is taking place in Poonch and Rajouri district of Jammu division. Right now, I am in Bangai village, which is in Rajouri district, because this search operation is being conducted both in Rajouri as well as in Poonch district. Right now, a police party is carrying out a search operation in Bangai village, and you can see that it's a very challenging operation for the security forces given the terrain. Pooja, you have traveled to this part of the Jammu and Kashmir, and you are fully aware that the terrain is a big challenge for conducting counter-terror operations. You can see my camera person Neeraj is showing you the pictures that the policemen are carrying out an intense search operation. The security forces have intensified the search operation in this forest area. It's surrounded by dense forests, huge mountains. Terrain is a big challenge as far as this operation is concerned. India Today is the only channel on the ground which is reporting actual facts, and you can see that the policemen, they are on ground, they are carrying out search operation. But for the family members of the martyrs, it's their lives have been shattered.
Keep tracking all the latest, and thank you for getting us that ground report. India Today is the only channel to actually be there in Poonch, get us all that details, and all now mortal remains have reached their families in Punjab.